Hi, it's Tim with iCoat. We're here talking about color today, and I'm going to show you how our super stain works with our mica effect to create any shade of any color in a mica effect. So I'm going to mix a little epoxy. I'm going to take some Arctic White, which is our white mica powder, and I'm going to take some Grape Ape, which is a purple super stain, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make different shades of the same color. So first off, I'm going to mix, get a little safety glasses on there. I'm gonna measure out my B. Let's do about 8 ounces of that. Then we're gonna measure out our A. This is a 1-to-1 epoxy. It's the CE40 HB. It's most popular for the floral preservation pieces. Now I'm gonna mix that up. I like using a drill to mix. So mix that up. I'm gonna add a little bit of the Arctic White in here. If you're doing batch to batch to batch, you can weigh it for exact consistency and measure drops and things like that. But just as a one-off today, I'm just putting partial spoonful in there, and that's going to give me a real pearlescent effect. I'll show you in just a second. So if you look at this, you're going to see it's a white pearly effect in there like that. So that's what it looks like, clear epoxy or white mica. Now, I'm going to add just a little bit. We want to shake it up before we use it. And again, this is Grape Ape. This is our super stain. It's very strong. It's very small micron size. So you could get the clarity and not muddy up the effect. I'm going to put in a few drops of that in there. And you can see, I hope, that we've got a nice little sort of a lilac looking color in there. And so, and I can make that any shade of that too. I can go a little bit darker. A few more drops, we're starting to come into a purple color. And if I want to go a little bit more, I can go in. See that? So we've gone from light lilac to a medium purple to a deep purple. And it's just mixing the powder with this. So I've got total control, and we've got all these different colors, so you can really create any shade of any color with our mica system without stocking 100 different pre-colored micas. It's very flexible. So if you buy the Arctic White mica powder from our store and super stains, you can create any color and any shade of any color that you want. We've got them pretty much in any color, and we've even got neon versions of it.